Continuing with the Algebra 2, Unit 3 test review problem number 11. Linear programming problem. This is where we want to start by graphing the lines. So the first slide, top equation, we want to graph y equals 2, x equals 2. X equals our vertical line, so where x is equal to 2, we're going to draw in a vertical line. The second line, we're doing x is less than or equal to 6, so we're graphing basically x equals 6. So 6 on the x-axis, and we're going to draw a vertical line through that one. Since we want to be greater than 2 and less than 6, we're going to be in the area in between when it comes to the shading. Next, for the y is less than or equal to 8, we're dealing with a horizontal line. So we go to the y-axis, draw a horizontal line where y is equal to the 8. We know we want to be below there. For the last equation, we got a couple ways to do this. One would be to use the intercept method. If we temporarily eliminate the y part, we get x is equal to 6. So we know on the x-axis we know the point at 6. Continue with the intercept method. If we eliminate the x, we got 2y equals 6. So when we divide by 2, we get y equals 3. So the y-axis, we know we're going to cross that at 3. And we can draw our line through there. Since we are shading above that line, we're below the other y line, and we were between the two blue lines, our shaded area, our feasible region, we're using our math terms, will be right here. In this case, we want to find a minimum. Plugging our corner points into the objective function, p equals 2x minus y. So let's look at those points we need to check. We got one on the bottom left here at 2, 2. Upper left is at 2, 8. Upper right is at 6 and 8. And bottom right is at 6 and 0. So if we plug in we have 4 minus 2, that one should give us 2. So we got negative 4 for the second point. And for the last point, let's see. So if you remember, we are looking for the minimum. The minimum value is right there at the negative 4. So if we're going to write this out as a proper answer, we say the minimum is negative 4. It's occurring at the point 2 and